Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope wherever you are, all is well, inshallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in His glorious book says, اعلموا إن أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما وفي الآخرة عذاب شديد ومغفرة من الله ورضوان وما الحياة الدنيا إلا متاع الغرور. It means know that the life of this world is mere diversion and play, glamour and mutual vainglory among you, and rivalry for wealth and children like rain, whose growth impresses the farmer. Then it withers and you see it turn yellow. Then it becomes chaff, whereas in the hereafter there is forgiveness from Allah and His approval and a severe punishment. The life of this world is nothing but the wares of delusion. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala described the dunya, described the world within 5 features, and I'm going to explain 3 of it. First is lab. Lab means game. God says ad-dunya la'ibun, means dunya is la'ib. It means the world without an afterlife is all playing games. It is like a child's play. The second one is laugh. The word is laugh. Laugh means entertainment. God says dunya is laugh. It means that this world is the environment of neglecting God and neglecting His Prophet's mission. God forbid. The next world describing the dunya in this verse is zina, glamour. Zina means the world is decorated with ornaments that attract people and prevent them from paying attention to God's commands. The Quranic verse does not describe these qualities for the world so that we may leave the world for the arrogant to take, but it expresses these qualities for us so that we may take such a world in such a way that we may gain the life in the hereafter. The Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei says, the world means the possibilities of human life, the blessings scattered in the world, the beauty and sweetness, the bitterness and happiness, the means for human growth and development. The world in this sense cannot be separated from religion, but the world meaning selfishness and being caught up in one's own whims and making others caught up in one's own whims, this world is the hallmark of Pharaoh. This world is the hallmark of Nimrud and Qarun and the hallmark of Shah, Bush and Saddam. This world is the hallmark of the cruel and oppressors of the time throughout history until now. The religion cannot be combined with this world. We must keep a distance between these 2 meanings of the world. Let's live in this world for the next one. All the best to you.